Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today, we have 4 work from home opportunities just for you. The first work from home opportunity comes from the company PBC Guru. They're looking for a sales focused book club startup. It pays up to $18 per hour. PBC Guru is a startup based in Maryland, just outside Washington, D.C. Our company brings the idea of a traditional in-person book club into the 21st century with a combination of technology and human facilitation to create meaningful online communities around books. Our book clubs are virtual, asynchronous, and scalable, meaning that hundreds of people can participate from anywhere in the world at whatever time is convenient for them. We believe that regularly reading books is the single best way to improve people's thinking, advance their careers, and create a shared language among groups. We manage numerous different types of book clubs and other lifelong learning programs. You can learn more about us at www.pbc.guru. About the role, we're looking for someone who wants to be an integral part of growing our company as part of our mission to help people on their journey of lifelong learning. Does that sound like you? The position is 100% remote. If you are in the local area, there may be some opportunity for in-person training. The position starts at $18 per hour with increases up to $22 per hour based on time with the company. Responsibilities include supporting the sales team through setting up appointments, scheduling batch emails to prospective clients, responding to emails, sending following up emails to clients and prospects, reviewing and creating outreach lists in Excel, other support as needed. Note that the role does not include any cold calling. Qualifications: prior experience as a virtual assistant or sales assistant. Experience working with Excel to process data. Enjoys working with Excel to process data. Excellent written English skills. Are consistently available for 15 to 30 hours per week. Looking to be in a role like this for at least the next 2-3 years. Willing to learn. Enjoys reading. Do not apply if you are not able to stretch yourself for new challenges. You just like hard work. Supporting a startup isn't exciting for you. How to apply? Please apply via our Google form application here, https://forms.gle/eqxxrseg982cepa. Applications will only be considered through the Google form. Job type: part-time. Pay from $18 per hour. Benefits: 401k matching. Health insurance, life insurance. Schedule: self-determined schedule. Supplemental pay types: bonus pay. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 1 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Dotdash. Meredith. They're looking for a content update editor. It pays up to $25 an hour. Brides is looking for a remote content update editor with experience working on wedding content or at a lifestyle brand. As an update editor, you will join our quality team, a team of remote editors, producers, and fact checkers who work on our sizable library of existing articles to improve the reader experience, drive additional traffic, and ensure the accuracy of all of our content. An updates editor must commit to a minimum of 20 hours weekly. The rate for this role is $25 per hour. About your contributions: you will research and perform revisions or updates to content as needed according to specific project instructions and brand guidelines. In some cases, you will use your editorial instinct to independently assess what work is necessary on a piece of content before performing an update. You will fact check and copy edit on top of any larger revisions and updates. About you: you have a strong background in lifestyle editorial. Wedding specific experience is a plus but not required. You should have an interest in weddings and related content, including relationships, travel, and fashion. You are familiar with wedding related terminology and know the difference between a bouquet and boutonniere. You're able to easily adopt an established brand voice, and you adhere to strict brand and style guidelines like a pro. You consider yourself a visual person. You're comfortable working in a content management system and can work quickly, independently, and accurately. You are comfortable working remotely. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 2 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Anchor Training. They're looking for a social media marketing assistant. It pays up to $15 an hour. Anchor Training is seeking a social media assistant to join our team. If you're looking to learn more about the ins and outs of multiple social media platforms and how to use each platform to support a fast-growing brand, this role is for you. This is perfect for a college student looking to learn more about social media marketing. Please submit cover letters so we can get to know you better and some samples of work if available. Responsibilities: editing social media captions for grammar and spelling, scheduling social media posts for LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, posting social media posts that cannot be scheduled, repurposing reels to TikTok and vice versa, sharing posts to stories, tracking social media analytics, providing forecasts into trends based on research of platform and account, ensure branding is uniform, ensures marketing standard operating procedures are followed, attends weekly marketing meeting, reports to brand operations manager. Qualifications: available 10 to 15 hours per week, marketing, business, or related major, experience with all social platforms, knowledge of Canva, motivated by learning through self-paced courses and mentorship, real TikTok editing experience. Job types: contract, part-time, pay $15 per hour, schedule 4-hour shift, experience, TikTok editing 2 years preferred, social media marketing 1 year preferred. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 3 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this video and every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. The next work from home opportunity comes from the company Tech Impact. They're looking for a marketing assistant part-time. It pays up to $21 per hour. Be a part of a fast-paced, growing team that provides a solid work-life balance. Tech Impact is a nonprofit on a mission to use technology to serve the world better. A leading provider of technology, education, and solutions for nonprofits, Tech Impact also operates award-winning and customer experience training programs designed to help young adults launch careers. With offices in Philadelphia, Wilmington, Washington, D.C., and Las Vegas, MB, Tech Impact has been delivering services since 2003 to thousands of national and international nonprofit organizations. Benefits of working for Tech Impact: supportive and compassionate environment that provides a work-life balance. Be part of a collaborative team passionate about the organization's mission and using technology to make the world a better place. Everyone has a voice, and you have the opportunity to learn and grow to make a difference. Position summary: the marketing assistant provides project management, administrative and marketing communications, and technology support. In this role, you will primarily interact and collaborate with the Chief Advancement Officer, Marketing Director, Marketing Coordinator, and training assistant. This role requires understanding how to use standard marketing software and marketing materials. You will assist with building resources used to support tech sales, services, and consulting products that nonprofit organizations need and supporting the needs of our workforce recruitment programs. Essential duties and responsibilities: pull and assemble routine marketing performance metrics, assist with contact list management, update documents such as digital templates, flyers, slide decks, and display materials to comply with the brand, assist with creating graphics for social media, landing pages, blog posts, email headers, and learning management pages, set up previously drafted email campaigns in HubSpot related to consulting, sales, and services, graduation announcements, participant recruitment emails, webinar and publication emails, event and fundraising appeals, maintain Tech Impact's websites, make basic content edits in WordPress, create landing pages and blog posts in HubSpot, add training registration pages and resources to the Technology Learning Center using HubSpot and WordPress with accompanying keywords, update the featured training banner on the home page of the website. Essential skills for success in position: expertise in HubSpot or comparable email marketing software, experience using WordPress or comparable website management system, strong written communication skills, some design experience using Canva, helpful skills, experiences, and qualities, interest in gaining experience in content marketing, email marketing, and communications, enthusiasm for Tech Impact's mission and the nonprofit sector, curiosity, and a growth mindset, experience with our ability to quickly grasp the technical aspects of a constituent database, broadcast email system, web forms, graphic design, and other web-based technologies. Tech Impact uses HubSpot, Canva, Zapier, WordPress, Wisehive, Sengen, SurveyMonkey, and Toviety. Strong skills with word processing, spreadsheets, email, and calendar applications are required. Social media experience representing an organization. Project management skills, including the ability to coordinate the details of simultaneous projects involving multiple internal and external people to keep things on schedule. Interpersonal skills, including finding a positive and professional resolution to complaints or technical glitches, responding with a sense of urgency, respecting others' time, and politely yet firmly advocating for the customer's needs. Confidence and poise are necessary to interact with experts and executives by phone, video conference, and in person. Broad knowledge of software and computer technology preferred, especially familiarity with the technology used in small nonprofit organizations. Experience working as part of a virtual team and collaborating by a chat and video conference. If you are not located near one of Tech Impact's office locations, you are expected to provide your workspace and internet. Tech Impact will provide you with a computer, a virtual phone system headset, and basic office supplies, some college, certification, or equivalent general knowledge and experience. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below under job number 4 so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have more job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. One last thing, we are going to be giving away Amazon.com gift cards to our subscribers and notified viewers starting at 10,000 subscribers here on our YouTube channel. No purchase necessary in order to participate, and if you would like to increase your chances of getting picked, don't forget to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified. Leave a comment and share so we can get to 10,000 subscribers faster and get the giveaway started if you would like to participate. It's our way to say thank you and help you on your journey to finding the best work from home opportunity available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.